I'm glad we got this on video, so you can actually for yourself. Go ahead and put your mask. Go ahead and put your mask down. Your mask. And tell me that you want your ends out at least 2 inches all over, and you're aware.
Yes, my ends are gonna be out.
You're not gonna let me twisty lock the ends. They're not gonna be interlocked, and that's my choice. Yes, say that.
Yes, it's my choice.
And against the recommendation of your stylist.
And against the recommendation of my stylist.
Okay. You're fully what do you got? Able-bodied minded. You have not been coerced to make this video. Your video. Yeah, you have not been coerced to make this video.
No.
You're ready for your twisty locks. You got your hair cut off.
Yes.
It's gonna be pretty no matter what.
It's gonna be good.
All right, great.
As y'all can see, my hairstylist was pretty nervous to do this specific style that I wanted, but I'm very determined, so stay tuned to see how it turned out. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Stylist hands. I'm not gonna see my face. It's twistylocks.com.
Yes.
We hooked it up with her custom-made Twisty Locks with all her ends open, so she can style her ends with and show out her curls. Let's look at the back. Yeah, nice. So this is something new I've never done. I've never done anyone's hair and left their ends open, so it's going to be exciting to see what happens. But this is, like I said, we do custom everything. So if you want something special done with your Twisty Locks, you can just ask. I might do it, I might not. Yeah, right. So why don't you go ahead and do your thing, like shake it and see how it is. How does it feel?
Light.
What would you like to say to your audience who was following you with your Twisty Lock?
If you ever want to do it, have your mini locks, Twisty Locks, just go ahead.
Yes,
do it. Don't wait. Don't be like me, 15 years.
Yeah, 15 years. Go ahead and shake it. How does it feel? Light?
Yeah, it's very light.
Yeah. Of course, as you can see, she has her sides shaved, but they've grown out, but she may shave them down a little bit more, right? Again?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what's going on with the rest. If you're paying attention to the hair and wondering what's going on with her sides, turn back around again so they can see it. She has her sides and back shaved, and she left a little tail that she's gonna curl up. So you'll see a little before and after. This is just finishing the Twisty Lock part, and she's gonna give you guys wow you guys with her hand twist technique that she's badass at, and then she's gonna twist that tail in the back. You ain't gonna be able to tell her nothing.
The next day I added gel to my ends. As you can see, it's not as poofy as it was before, and this is how I rock my Twisty Locks. Hey beautiful people, so it's been 6 months since my it's called Micro Locs, and I am loving it. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. Right now it needs to be washed, but so far I don't know what to really say. I like the fact that I can just wake up and my hair is done, technically. Just fluff it out a little bit. I am planning to grow the sides back, but I'm enjoying this look for now. I do wear wigs on top of my locks just because it was winter, it was cold, and the sides were too short. I didn't really like the way I looked. But now that everything's growing in and it's getting warmer, I wear my hair out more. So you can check me out on my Instagram page, and you can see my progress a little bit more on my Instagram versus YouTube. But what else do I need to let you know? I did go to a professional just because I didn't feel that I could part it on my own or do a good job with the parting. I am planning to continue to go to the stylist to get my hair retightened, just because it's a lot to retighten on my own. I try to do it every week. as if I'm styling my hair, but it's literally taking me hours just to do this part. So this is Twisty Micro Locs, and it's twisty because 1, I kept the ends loose, and 2, because the way that the interlocking works is almost like it's tiny twists, you know, the 2-strand twists. That's what it really looks like. Versus with Sistah Locks has a different type of interlocking method. So according to my stylist, this way is more natural and healthier for our hair texture. With my hair texture, it's really thick, but the actual strands are thin and coily and loose. So my curls, I find that it's taking a longer time to actually lock because my ends are loose. You know, lock starts from the ends and work its way up to the root. But my actual wiry hair or curls are actually coming through each lock, which gives it like a nice fuzzy look. I like it. No complaints there. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.